Welcome, guys. We have a question on probability from one of our past exam papers. Okay. And the question reads as follows. In a box of 10 bulbs, 3 are 40. If 2 bulbs are drawn at random, one after the other, find the probability that both are good. One is 40 and the other is good. So there are two ways that we can do this one. If you read or if you look at this question, we have not been asked to use a tree diagram. We have not been asked to use a tree diagram. But I think it has come to my attention that most of our learners find these questions easier when we apply the use of a Venn diagram. So even when we haven't been asked to do it, I would rather we go through that route. Yeah. So let's use a tree diagram to do this. Now, you know that there are 2 bulbs that were drawn at random. There are 2 bulbs that were drawn at random. So this is a first draw when we do this one. So this is going to be for the good bulb, and then this is going to be for the 40 bulb, the bulb that had the 40. Now, we are told that the 3 bulbs are 40. So this is going to be 3, all right, over 10. And then what this goes to tell us is the other ones, the good ones are 7. Okay, so I'll repeat this process here. I'll repeat this process here. And even this side, this will still be good bulb. All right, this will still be the good bulb. And this is going to be the 41 here. I'll also do the same thing here. This will be the good bulb, and this will be the 41. So, what does this mean? If I come here, what I'm asking you is, if the first bulb that was picked was a 40 bulb, was a good bulb, what is the probability that the second one is also going to be a good bulb? So what that means is that there were 7 good bulbs. So if we removed 1, it means we remained with 6 good bulbs, and also the total number of bulbs in the bag or in the box has reduced from 10 to 9. Okay, has reduced from 10 to 9. Then, if the second one was a 40 bulb, if the first one was a good bulb, it means that the 40 bulbs are still intact, but the total number in a box has reduced. All right, we'll redo the same process the other side, which now this brings this to 2 over 9. This one still stands at 7 because the first one to be removed was a 41. So the good ones are still 7. Is that okay? Then we have what? 9. On the second draw, the denominator or the total number will have reduced throughout from 10 to 9. So you have to understand that this is the probability of us having both good bulbs. This will be, the first one will be good, the second one is going to be 40. The first one will be 40 and the second one will be good. The first one will be 40 and the second one will also have a 40. Okay. Now, if you come to the questions at this point, find the probability that both are good. Both are good, it means the probability of G and G. So the probability of G and G, if you come to our table, it is what? 7 over 10 multiplied by 6 over 9. That is it. Now, if you want, you are going to, of course, it's a must. You need to do that. You simplify this, all right? You simplify this by saying over, what do we have here? 9. So I can go a step further by saying 7 over 10. Then this side I'll have 2 over 3. Because I'm using 3 into 6, it's 2. 3 into 9, it's 3. Okay? Now, I'm trying to make your work very easy. From this step, you can go further. Again, you simplify by saying, this is going to be 7 over 5. Then the other side, you've got 1 over 3. All right? Where is the, I have used the 2 now. 2 into 2, it's 1. 2 into 10, it's what? 5. I'm just trying to simplify it for you so that our answer ends up as what? 7 over 15. Our answer should end up as 7 over 15. That is going to be the final answer for the first question. All right. Then if I want to bring you to the second one now, our answer is going to be, we are saying one bulb is 40, the other one is good. Where do we have those probabilities? We have this case here as well as this one. So we need to add both of them. We need to add them. It could be this or this. So in terms of probability, we can say it will be the probability of where the first one is good and the second one is 40, or the first one being 40 and then the second one being good. We need to test both probabilities. So where did we come from when we got this? This is 7 over 10, all right? And then we got 3 over 9 here. Then usually we say in probability when you've got O here, we just add this. Then what do we have? We'll have 3 over 10 multiplied by 7 over 9. So I do not advise my learners to simplify at this point when you've got a question in this case. You can still simplify, but I find it easier not to simplify when you've got two different fractions to be added. So you're going to have 21 over 90 plus also here 21 over 90. And then this is going to give you 42 over 90. So you have got, you can use 7 here. 7 into 42. 7 into 42, that is going to give you, 6. 6 into 42, it will give you 7. 6 into 90, it will give you 15. So again, we're going to have 7 over 15 as our answer here. I hope that is very clear and we have gotten it. All right. This is my number in case you may want to learn with us individualized lessons. You can get in touch with us on this number. Okay. There's also this other one, just in case the first one does not go through. Okay. 56, 57, and 76. Yeah, these are the numbers that you can get in touch with. That is if you want lessons. All right. Thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to share with your friend, invite people so that the family can grow. Yeah, thank you once again.